User input in Python. Most of you have observed forms like this where you will enter username or password. So what do you think how this program is written? In Python, we can make use of inbuilt input function, take input from the user. So I'll write here input function. We'll just provide a message to no user that he has to enter name. So enter your name. Now we'll print format. I'll take hi, then in the flower braces give the variable name and we'll print welcome to Go Get My Good. Let's run this. Here it's asking us to enter your name. So I'll enter name as Ram. Let's see what output we'll get. Here you can see hi Ram. Welcome to Go Get My Guru. We are getting on the terminal. So what do you think? What type of data we are working with here? We are working with, obviously it's a string because name, we have entered name as Ram. It's obviously a string. Now we'll try to work with numeric data types. We'll take these data from the user. Score 1 is equal to input, enter your score. And we'll take one more variable score. We'll name it as 2. Here again we'll take input, enter your score in second test. We'll print the total score here. Print total score is score 1 plus score 2. So let's run this. Here you can see it is asking us to enter your score. So I'll enter first 100 and enter your score. I'll enter 200. You can see here when I add score 1 and score 2, I should get 300. But I am getting some other different value. Why is it so? That is because whenever you use input function, it always takes or accepts the input in the form of string. To be sure that whatever we are entering is taken in the form of string, let's make use of type of function here to know what type of input interpreter is taking. So type of score 1 and then we'll print type of score 2 as well. So score. Let's run this and check. It's asking us to enter score. Here you can observe score 1 is of class string and score 2 I'll enter. Now it's also telling it is of class string. So that's why we are getting different value, not the correct output. So how can we correct this? To correct this, we can go for typecasting here. So whatever the input we are entering here, so score 1 is representing integer input data. So to typecast this string to integer, we'll make use of int here. And next, after taking the input, we'll convert this string input to integer input. Let's also print type and as well as total score here. Run this. So enter your score. I'll enter again 100. So it's of class int now. Now I'll enter 200. It is also of class int. And if you observe here total score, now we are getting the correct answer. That is score 1 plus score 2 is 300. I hope now you are clear with how to take input from the user. To watch out more videos on Python, stay tuned to our channel and also subscribe to our channel and help us to grow.